Hi, my name is Blair, and I'm here on behalf of Superior Uniform Group and the Fashion Seal Healthcare brand, providers of fine workwear and healthcare apparel. Today, we're going to talk about quality and quality assurance when choosing a uniform provider. Everybody benefits when employees look their very best. This means wearing professional work apparel that is clean, well-fitting, comfortable, and in good condition. Not just when the uniforms are brand new either. In fact, many employers consider durability and longevity among a uniform's most important features. Now, these characteristics are hardly universal in the world of work apparel. Garment quality can vary greatly, which is why it's important to understand the basics. Healthcare and other work apparel must meet far more stringent performance requirements than clothes worn in a casual environment. Depending on the type of workplace, uniforms can be exposed to spills, abrasions, tears, and more. Our bodies themselves pose challenges in terms of perspiration and temperature control. Even washing our uniforms can introduce an array of apparels to the fabric. But all the news isn't bad. Prevention is the best medicine, and choosing to outfit your team in high-quality uniforms that were rigorously tested at the time of manufacturing is a fantastic start. Let's take a look at some of these testing techniques and why they're so important to the quality of uniforms. Consistency is a key component of quality. So, if a team gets identified by a sky blue tunic, each and every one of those garments should be equal in shade. This is why it is critical for a quality assurance lab to compare a fabric sample to the approved color swatch under a variety of lighting conditions using a light box. An even more accurate way to match color is with electronic equipment that measures and compares numerical data across a number of samples. Faded and torn clothes may be a recurring fashion trend to some, but in the workplace, it can be downright unprofessional. High-quality apparel should retain its color for a long time, so it's a good idea to ask potential uniform providers if they test their fabric for color fastness. They should be using a standard home washer and dryer, as well as commercial ones that mimic the strength of industrial laundries. A laundrometer will simulate the effects of long-term laundering, and an autoclave can emulate the techniques used to launder and sterilize uniforms within the healthcare industry. We all want our uniforms to look great and stay looking great. Now, nobody should have to wear work apparel that has rips and tears in it, and fortunately, they don't have to. Apparel producers should be verifying a fabric's integrity with snag and tear test equipment to determine how much or how little force is required to damage the surface. An abrasion test can even determine how much deterioration will occur over a number of years. Now that's how you ensure longevity. Another unsightly anomaly found on some fabrics is called pilling, which is just a fancy word for the formation of small fibrous bundles resulting from abrasions. In layman's terms, fuzzballs. Not to worry though, a well-equipped QA lab should be able to measure a fabric's resistance to pill formations with a pilling tester. Of course, this is just a simplified look at some of the most common issues affecting work apparel. There are many other tests, including ones that measure quality pertaining to the specific industry in which the garments are used. Proper testing and analysis doesn't guarantee a perfect uniform program, but there's certainly no better place to start, so be sure to ask potential providers about their quality assurance practices and how test results are handled. Thank you for joining me for this peek into the corporate lab and quality practices of Fashion Seal Healthcare and Superior Uniform Group. Once again, my name is Blair. Be sure to join me again for some more informational videos on choosing the best uniform provider for you.